Hello everyone, I wanted to do a short video on this 5-piece barbecue tool set. It comes with 2 dispensers, the spatula with the holes in it, the spatula without, and the scraper. I'm going to show you details of the handle and the thickness of the spatula. Very heavy duty. This is your scraper and your other spatula. Both of your dispensers are made the same, with the top that completely covers the top, so you don't have to worry about your food in there getting dried out or anything. Nice big hole where you don't have to fight to get your condiments out. Very easy to use for condiments and barbecue sauce. Thank you for watching this short video. Have a great day.